Well, did we ever get hit with snow? We're about 30 minutes from Buffalo, and Buffalo got 7 feet of snow within probably like a day and a half. Here we are in Port Colborne. Make myself a coffee here, warm up a little bit. Well guys, I definitely worked up an appetite from snow blowing. On the menu today is chicken fajitas. And I'm going to show you how to make your own seasoning. With that being said, let's go. Okay guys, I just want to give my wife Lisa a shout out for making me the best birthday cake. It was Reese's peanut butter cheesecake with an Oreo crust, which was friggin' amazing. Okay guys, to make these chicken fajitas, these are the ingredients you're going to need. For your spices, you're going to need cornstarch, chili powder, salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, white sugar, and some Joyful Lynn sweet and spicy. For the rest of the ingredients, you're going to need vegetable oil, tortilla shells, salsa, sour cream, white onion, yellow pepper, red pepper, orange pepper, and 2 1/4 pounds of boneless chicken breast. Okay guys, let's start mixing all these ingredients for our fajita mix. First we're going to need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, Okay guys, we gave our seasoning a good mix. Next we're going to cut all our vegetables into 1/4-inch strips, and then our boneless chicken breast is last on the block. Make sure you do it in that order, don't cut your chicken first. We're going to fillet them, and then we're going to cut those in 1/4-inch strips. Let's go. Guys, now we're going to be filleting these chicken breasts, and then we're going to cut them in 1/4-inch strips. Let's go. Okay guys, let's start frying up these onions. We want to cook them, but we don't want to cook them too much. We still want a little bit of a crunch. Let's go. Okay guys, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure it's not virgin olive oil. And we're heating this on medium heat. Okay guys, let's put our onions in. And we're going to cook this on medium heat till they get soft, but we still want them a little bit crispy, so it's kind of in between. I'm going to add some pepper, some salt. Okay guys, we're almost there. I'd say another maybe two minutes and we'll pull this off, and then we'll start cooking our chicken breast. Okay guys, let's get these onions out of the frying pan so we can cook our chicken. Okay guys, we're going to add our seasoning to the chicken before we cook it. Add a 1/4 cup of water. Okay guys, now we're going to cook the chicken. It's been marinating for 15 minutes. Okay guys, we're going to add a little bit more of vegetable oil. And we're going to add our chicken now. We're going to be cooking this chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes. I'll tell you one thing, I should have used a bigger pan. Okay guys, in another pan, add a little bit of vegetable oil, and we're going to cook our peppers. I'm going to put our onions in. Okay guys, let's give it one more stir. This chicken is cooked. Now we're going to put our chicken in. We're going to add a little bit more sweet and spicy. Okay guys, in a clean pan, heat up your tortilla shells on low heat. Okay guys, let's start assembling this chicken fajita. It's piping hot. A little down the middle. A little red pepper. Onion. A little homemade salsa. Sour cream. Okay guys, these chicken fajitas are ready and I'm going in. This could get messy. Wow, this is delicious. It doesn't matter if it's winter or summer. You guys got to try this. It packs a punch. The vegetables are still crunchy. So good. If you guys like what you've seen today, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe to my channel. I'll upload every week. If you hit the bell, you'll be the first to get it. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, to clean this cast iron frying pan is really simple. Use a vegetable oil, a couple squirts. And before you put it away, just give it a good soaking on the inside like this. I cleaned it with no soap, nothing abrasive. And I always do the outside too. That's what it should look like. You put it in a paper bag, that's what I normally do.